Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can leave any room in Hilokal language exchange app. So if you don't want to talk anything, then if you want to leave, then you can easily leave them. So how to leave? So here is, you can see it's a table, or you can see it's a room. So I'm just going to randomly any room. Okay, this room. So I'm just click. Once I click, then wait a second, connecting to room. It takes few moment to entering. So like when I join there, then there is option. So if I click left, then I will be left that room immediately. So it takes few moment to room. So you can see it's the room. Okay, it's the room. But if I want to leave that room, then I can see the option. This it's here. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, and here it is. Okay. So simply click leave. Once you click leave, then you will be able to leave the room. Okay, friend, I hope this video has helped for you. So today's moment.